Welcome back everyone to one of our Prestige Auto Tech videos. What we're going to be seeing today is actually something so crucial. Everyone knows about it, but not everyone does. What we have right here is a BMW 535i 2011. As you can see, the engine is completely covered in sludge. The only reason why that happened is because the customer either took too long to replace the oil or he never did. Now, say an oil change with us cost about $109, but because the customer actually failed to do the routine maintenance, it's going to cost over $5,000. So if you include yourself in the group of people that actually do not do oil changes on your car, do yourself a favor. Perform an oil change in your vehicle and save yourself a couple of $1,000s in your pocket. My name is Christian, and once again, this is Prestige Auto Tech. Thank you for tuning in.